Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. I'm your host, and today we have an exciting showdown between two dash cams that will surely capture your attention. On the left, we have the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit, and on the right, we have the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera. Get ready for some serious car camera action. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, the price.
The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit comes in at a budget-friendly $25. That's less than what you'd spend on a fancy dinner. But hold on to your seats because the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera offers a bit more bang for your buck, priced at $59.
It's like treating yourself to a nice meal, but with extra dessert.
When it comes to power and protection, the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit takes the lead.
It connects directly to your vehicle's battery, providing continuous power and 24/7 parking surveillance.
Plus, it has a smart low-voltage protection system, so you won't have to worry about draining your battery. Talk about peace of mind.
On the other hand, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera offers a 24-hour parking mode, but you'll need to purchase a separate mini USB hardwire kit. It does come with seamless loop recording and a G sensor to detect sudden shakes or collisions. So if you're looking for around-the-clock protection, this one's got your back.
Now let's talk about functionality. The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit is compatible with various vehicles running on 12 to 24 volts.
It also features an ACC mode, so you don't have to worry about turning it on or plugging in chargers.
Plus, the Type-C USB plug frees up your cigarette lighter for other devices. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Meanwhile, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera comes with built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an app for easy control and live streaming.
You can download videos, change settings, and even share your footage with friends on social media. It's like having your own personal paparazzi in your car. Last but not least, let's talk about video quality.
The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit delivers reliable 1080p video recording, capturing license plates and road signs with clarity.
It's like having an eagle eye on the road, ensuring you don't miss a thing. On the flip side, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera also boasts FHD 1080p video recording with advanced GC CMOS and a 150 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like having a Hollywood-quality camera right in your car, ready to capture all the action.
The Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit receives positive reviews for its easy installation, power capabilities, and customer service.
On the other hand, the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera is praised for its affordability, video, quality, and user-friendly app.
And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the Vantrue Dash Cam Hardwire Kit and the ARIFAYZ Dash Cam Wi-Fi FHD 1080 car camera in various categories.
Both products have their strengths, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, making a smart purchase is all about finding the right fit for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons and buying tips. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.